Hello students, I am Pratigna Patil. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Mathematics Infinity Goals. This is a question from CSIR NET June 2011. In this question, we have a set S which contains a matrix A of order 5. Each entry Aij is either 0 or 1, and we have two more conditions such as every row sums to 1 and every column sums to 1. Then we have to find number of elements of S question mark. Then we have four options. Option 1 is 5 square, option 2 is 5 raised to 5, option 3 is 5 factorial, and option 4 is 5 raised to 5. To find its solution, let us consider two conditions which are given in example. First condition is our matrix A is of order 5 and this entries is either 0 or 1. And second condition is each column sums to 1 and each row sums to 1. Therefore, we consider A matrix of order 5, that is 5 cross 5. Now, from the first condition, we know that each entry is either 0 or 1 and each column sums to 1 and each row sums to 1. Therefore, we have 5 choices to place 0 or 1. If we put 0 or 1 here, then remaining places are cancelled because every row and every column sums to 1. Similarly, for the column, we know that every column sums to 1, and if we put 0 or 1 here, then remaining column should be cancelled. That is, for the first row we have a 5 choices. Now for the second row we have a total 4 choices. If we put 0 or 1 here, so cancel remaining places of the rows. Similarly, we can cancel remaining places of column because each row sums to 1 and each column sums to 1. For the third row, we have total 3 choices. If we place 0 or 1 here, cancel remaining 2 places. Similarly, we can cancel 2 places in column because each row sums to 1 and each column sums to 1. Therefore, third row have 3 choices. Nextly, for the fourth row, we have 2 choices. If we put 0 or 1 here, then cancel corresponding row and corresponding column because each row sums to 1 and each column sums to 1. Option 4 have 2 choices. Lastly, we have only one place, therefore we put 0 or 1, and this place can fulfill our given condition, that is each column sums to 1 and each row sums to 1. Therefore, fifth row have only one choice, that is matrix A have 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 choices, that is 5 factorial. Therefore, option 3 is true. Thank you. Please like, subscribe and share.